Good morning, Standard 8 students. This is the first class in Standard 8 that I am going to take. So today I am going to start from the chapter 2, that is exponent in mathematics. Right? Something you have studied in previous classes also. The concept of base is same what you have studied in 7, but some more question is given here. Hey, by using the same for base knowledge, we have to solve the question of this exercise exponent. So standard 8, chapter 2, exponent. What is in this chapter? In this chapter is given three main rules are there. What are the three main rules? First, if base is same and there is a multiplication sign among them, then all the power will be added. Example, if say x to the power a, base is x power a into x to the power b, 8 into x to the power c. So see here, base in all three, the base is same, that is x, and multiplication sign among them. So what is the result? The result is all the power will be added, a plus b plus c. This is the rule. Take example. Suppose 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3. So base is same here, 5. So what will be the value? So power will be added, 2 plus 3, that is 5 to the power 5. What is the total value? So 5 to the power 5 means 5 is multiplied how many times? 5 times. 8. Multiply all the 5 to 5 times, that is our answer. Do you follow? So another example, 7 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 3. Base is same and among them there is multiplication sign. So according to the rule, all the power will be added. So what value? 7, 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is 7 to the power 6. 8. This is the meaning. So this is the first law. What is the law? If base is same and among them there is multiplication sign, the power will be added. This is the first law of exponent. Second one, if base is same and there is division sign. If base is same, x is base and division sign, then what is the result? Result is the power will be subtracted. 8. Or we can say x to the power a, or we can write x to the power a, x to the power b. See here, base is same, 8. So power will be subtracted, a minus b. Example, 5 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2. Since base is same, 5, division sign is there, so power will be subtracted, 3 minus 2, that is 5 to the power 1, means answer is 5. This is second law of exponent. And third law of exponent, third law, if x to the power a, their power b and their power c, how many power? All the power will be multiplied. That is equal to, I mean, x to the power a into b into c. This is the third law of exponent. Example, 2 to the power 3, their power 2, their power 4. What will be the value? 2 to the power 3 into 2 into 4. That is 2 to the power 60. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 24. This is these three main laws of exponent. These are three main. By using these three main rules of exponent, we have to solve several questions based on the given on this chapter. Now, remember this one, very important point. If any value 3 to the power 5 to the power 0 given, if the power is 0 given, for its value will be always equal to 1. Do you follow? Like 7, 25, their power 0. What will be the value? Value will be equal to 1. If the power is 0 given, immediately write that value will be equal to 1. Second case, if the power is negative, like 2 to the power minus 2, if we will write this one, you have to make the power negative to positive. And how to make? Reverse the order. This is 2. We will write 1 by 2, then it becomes positive. Here 2, power is negative. When we reverse the order, 2 means 2 is reversing. Then what will be the reverse of 2? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, then power will be positive. If 5 by 3 to the power minus 7 by 2, power is negative. Right? 5 by 3, their power is negative value 7 by 2. When we reverse the order, their power will be positive. Means 3 by 5 to the power 7 by 2. Do you follow? So, using the laws of exponent and keeping these things in mind, when power will be 0, its value will be equal to 1. When power will be negative, reverse take the reciprocal, not take the reciprocal, its power will change into positive one. By using this concept, we have to solve the questions based on this chapter. First question, 3 to the power minus 1 into 9 to the power minus 1 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. This is the question we have to solve. See, power is negative. Here also the power is negative. Or, see, between these two, what sign? Multiplication sign is there. 8. We can make the base same also here. How to make the base same? 3 to the power minus 1, 9. We can write 3 square, their power minus 1. Give curly bracket. Divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Now, 3 to the power minus 1 into 2. Now, power, third rule of exponent. Power of their power. Which both power will multiply? 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. There 3 to the power minus 2. Right? Now see, base is same. And what is the sign between them? Into. So when base is same and there is into sign, multiplication sign, the power will be added. So 3 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Right? So this becomes 3 to the power minus 3 and divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Again see here, division sign, base is same, 3. So when base is same and division sign, what the rules? The power will be subtracted. What value? The 3 to the power minus 2 and minus subtracted to the minus sign, minus 2 here. So that is 3 to the power minus 2 plus 2, that is 3 to the power 0, that is 1. 8. This is our answer. So some more question I will solve next day. Thank you very much.